Welcome to the Sarasota County Property Appraiser web map tutorial. From our main website, under the search, you can get directly to the map from the map property search, or you can run a search on our main website and link to the map from that. We're going to put in an account number on our search page, and this will take us to our property detail page. This is where you'll find information about the parcel, such as values, sales, location. From the top left, you'll see a map button. Click that, and it's going to zoom you right into our web map and zoom you directly to the parcel. On the top right, you'll see owner name and account number. If you go directly to our map, there's various ways to search through there, such as account number, owner name, and on the top left, you can search by address. We're going to search by owner name. We're going to put in Ringling, run a search, and everything with Ringling in the name will be returned. When we find what we're looking for, we can click on it and it will zoom us right in. On the top right of our search results, we have multiple options we can do with those. If we'd like to export them to a table, we can do that. We're going to clear them for now. We can also search graphically. In this case, we're going to search a whole neighborhood. We just draw a square over it. It's going to return all the results for that area. Right now we're going to clear them out and we're going to run a buffer. We're going to do 500 feet around a point, so we add that criteria, click on a point, and it's going to return all the results within 500 feet of where we clicked. We can again choose what we'd like to do with the results. We're going to open up a table at the bottom of the screen. From this table, we can again export to a CSV, which will allow us to open the table in Excel or a similar program. Next, we'll review the measure tool. This allows you to measure a line, or you can draw a polygon and get an area. We're going to measure the length of the Ringling Bridge, so we're going to change it to miles, and we just click on our area of interest, double click, and we'll get our results on the top right. We're going to close the measure out and move on to the layer list. This is where you can turn on and off different layers of information. For example, we have residential sales. You can turn those on. We have lots of other information, including previous years of parcel configurations and various years of aerial imagery. We're now going to move on to printing. When the print opens, it defaults to a map only. We're going to change it to an 8.5 by 11 portrait layout. Then we can choose what we'd like to export to. We're going to choose the default, which is a PDF. There's some extra options in here. If you'd like to change the DPI to make it a little higher resolution, you can do that. Click print. We're going to open one of our prints that we have here already, and you can see it that does a nice little 8.5 by 11 layout. From there you can save it, export, whatever you'd like. Next is sales query. This lets us query sales for the last 18 months by residential, commercial, or condo. We can put in the amounts that we're interested in. Then below there's a land use code if we'd like to filter even further by that. There's a list of the land use codes on our main website under Advanced Search. We can hit Query once we have those parameters in, and it will return all the results that meet that. You can click on any of them and it will zoom the map right into those. Again, on the top right, we have a list of different options that we can do. We're just going to clear out the results and go back to our main page here. While using our website, at any time you can click on a parcel and information will pull up in a window about that parcel. The panel allows you to see that exact same information, just on a panel that stays anchored to the right-hand side. Next is the draw. This allows you to add graphics to your map. When you click on a tool, you'll get a list of options, different colors you can do your drawing. If you'd like to add measurements to that, you can click Show Measurements, and it will show you the area or length of what you drew in. On the bottom left-hand side of the map, we can change the base map. There's a base map gallery that will open with a few different options to choose between. We're going to go ahead and return it to an aerial imagery. Last, we'll review the pictometry window. From the bottom left, click the pictometry icon. That will open a new window. Click anywhere on the map, and you'll see that pictometry window gets populated with the images. They'll give you a bird's eye view of the area that you can rotate, zoom in, zoom out. Hope this video helps you better navigate our site. Thank you for watching today.